Good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. So we out here, we still out here in Florida. Got our coffee in hand. We're heading over to the beach. It's a beautiful, beautiful morning. Got some sunshine, nice clouds, a little bit of rain over on here on the left. But yeah, other than that, it's a beautiful, beautiful morning. I go for a little beach walk, you see me? Yeah. Last night went by what's the name of that? Harbor Village. Harbor Village down here is like a little city walk or something like that in Orlando. They got like zip lining and lots of stuff to do. Rock wall climbing, lots of food vendors, food trucks, Margaritaville, all that stuff over there. So that's what that is. So went over there last night, walk around, eat some ice cream. They got the docks right there, the boat docks, so you could see all them yachts that, you know, and fishing boats. They all come in right there. But yeah, we on it. People out here jogging, walking on the trail. So the beach access is called Dunes Island. If you guys ever want to come down here. It's hot already, guys. It's probably like 80 something degrees down here. So this is the beach access. We're on 30A. That's the name of the road. It's like that ocean front road. It's called 30A. Just like you're going between buildings to get over to the beach. No one's out here yet. Alright guys, so the beach is lovely this morning. It's got like sandy beaches down here. It's real nice. The water is super clear. Super clear. See? Super clear. Look at this, guys. Don't get no better than this. Oh, and the water is warm as well. It's real warm, super warm. I ain't gonna go in the water today. I pretty much was in it all day yesterday. Yeah. So, no need to go in there today. Go for a nice little beach walk, you know. Nice little walking the other way, guys. The sun is in the, yeah. So I'm sweating already. Okay, so if you turn this way, it's nice and the sun is in the way when you walk this way. But yeah, as you can tell, it's nice, guys. It's nice. Check this out. Yeah. They got a lot of rental properties over there. On the right, you could Airbnb and be right on the beach, or Vrbo could be right on the beach over there. Step out of that Airbnb and you're right on the sands. It's real nice at night too over here. You can see the city straight down ahead of us. So you see all the lights. It's pitch black out here. It's dark though. You can't really see anything, but when you look in the distance, you'll see the city lights. Yeah. Alright, let's see how much time. Alright, so now it's 8:20. I'm gonna head back up about 9 o'clock. So I got like 40-minute walk. Going for a 40-minute walk. Yeah guys, so nothing to beat walking in the sun early in the morning, you know. Nothing more calming and relaxing than walking in the sun. Yep. A lot of fish right here guys, look at this. I don't know if you can see it, but a lot of fish right here. See that? It's like schools of fish, like baby fish. It's like millions of them guys, millions. See them right there? You got millions of fishes. Well, not fishes, fish. Right here, got some more over here. Alright. So yeah guys, so this is Destin. Come to Destin. It's nice down here. Get yourself a little Airbnb and come relax a little bit, you know. If you go off season, it might not be as expensive for an Airbnb. You could get them as low as $100 and some, depending on how far or how close you are to the beach. That makes the price, you know, go up or down. But yeah, it's beautiful out here. Looks like there's a thunderstorm coming on that side over there though, but it's all good. Don't mind me guys, I'm making some content for the Instagram as well, so I'm looking down at the phone.
This is not. Raise the problem. Looking up, it's a miracle.
guys, see some more of the fish them here. And some snapper them. Some young snapper. That dark spot right there is all fish. Look, all fish. The whole dark spot like just baby fish. If we could zoom in, let me see if I can. Youngins, dear youngins. But yeah, water is pretty out here, guys. It's real pretty. I don't know how people live on the beach or live close to the beach and want to leave to go in the city. It's so calming out here and peaceful. Like, yeah, we got a waterway right there. I guess it drains into the ocean when it's filled. But yeah, I don't know how people would want to leave unless it's, you know, it's expensive in these areas. So sometimes it costs more to live in these areas, you know. But if you already live here, you know, do your best to try and stay here in the city and up in Atlanta, where it's just hectic and it's just there's no peace, you know, unless you live out in the mountains or so, you might have a different kind of peace, you know, more nature. But down here is, you know, sunshine, and the only thing they deal with down here is the hurricanes. So maybe people get tired of the hurricanes and move away, you know. But other than that, it's nice. You come earlier in the morning, the water is much more calm. So you could actually, you know, it's level if you come early. It's kind of late now, it's about 8:30, so sea already woke up. So late evening and early morning, it's nice and calm, you know. The title of today's video is gonna be calming beach video or something, you know, morning walk on the beach. Yeah, you see how it has this green clear color? Sometimes some parts of the year it's like more of a blue turquoise, like a blue, light blue look to it. And then, you know, sometimes of the year it's more of a greenish color. It just depends on when you come. Recently there's a lot of hurricanes passing through in the Gulf, so see, it's about to rain on that side. A lot of clouds over there, dark clouds. But yeah, you know, just depends on when you come here. They got this city down there, Destin. Yeah. But yeah, this whole stretch of beach, all from Destin all the way back to Panama City, it pretty much looks the same. You know, white sandy beaches, you know, a wide enough area for you to lounge, you know. So Panama City is that way. You can't really walk, but you can't walk, but it's probably 30-40 minutes that way, just all beach. And then, you know, you got Santa Rosa and Miramar Beach, all those beaches, those cities coming all the way back to Destin. So Destin is down right there by those high-rise. We're actually in Destin, between Destin and Santa Rosa Beach. So you could choose, guys. You could go as far as Panama City all the way back to Destin. Anywhere you stay in between, it's gonna be like this. I mean, sometimes of the year, some parts of the year, it's real, the seaweeds, and it's dirty, you know. And I've heard where sometimes some parts of the year there's a lot of jellyfish as well. So you have to just try and get lucky and book a time. We're in July now, like late July, so I guess these are the time would be the better time to come, late July. You know. Yesterday we were out there all the way out. We had some little boogie boards and some floaties. We were out there all the way out. But yeah, man. Sometimes we have to get like a beach time, you know. Wash off some of the salt, put back some of the salt in the ocean. Yeah. Sometimes we get salty, so we have to put back some of the salt in the ocean. Wash off the salt after we come back fresh again. See me? So yeah. Storming over there, guys. Look, somewhere over there is getting heavy rain. That little patch of black right there, raining real bad. Don't come this way. I don't think it's coming this way though, because all the weather moves from that way to this way. So let's hope it doesn't come this way. Let me see, I got more rain out there. Something eating these fish right here. They be chasing the small fish. The bigger fish, they having breakfast. They eat the small fish. Yeah, circle of life, guys. Circle of life, circle of life. Big fish eat the small fish, and then the bigger fish come and eat the fish that just ate the other fish. Crazy. Yeah, so I'm in the water pretty much. We hear the thunder. It's a lot of thunder and over there. That's kind of deep right here. Got knee height. Alright guys, I'm gonna head back because it looks like the rain is coming this way. So I'm gonna head back. You notice it's there. When you look at it first, it wasn't right there, it was farther away. So it's coming this way. I was wrong, so I'm gonna head back. I'm kind of far away. Like maybe a mile from the house. So let's head back. Yeah guys, so this is just chilling on the beach pretty much. Chilling on the beach. Yeah. So you got the beach on this side. You got the houses on this side. Or I should say Airbnb rental properties. These are rental properties, most of them. I would probably say 95% of the, I would say 95% of the properties down here is rental properties. I don't know if it's windy, guys. I got a mic in here. Let me test the mic out. I got a mic, but I wanted you to hear the the ocean, you know what I'm saying? But now I'm walking into the wind. So let me turn the mic on and see if it's any better. Alright, yeah. Hold on, guys. Yeah. Hold on, guys. Let me set this up real good. Yeah. So you might hear me better now. I'm walking into the wind. Earlier I wanted you to hear the, you know, the wind and the ocean and, you know. So I didn't turn the mic on. So yeah, going for an early morning walk, you know. Got up from 6 this morning, but I was there scrolling the gram, checking out some videos that I'm editing. So I came over here about, I would say about 8 o'clock. So this is what it looks like 8 o'clock in the morning. It's kind of empty, ain't nobody. Everybody went out last night and tired and they're sleeping late. Most of the people, they're checking out. It's a Sunday, so they'll be checking out early today. So when they check out today, ain't nobody coming to the beach on a Sunday. Most people end their vacation, they'll end their vacation on a Sunday. So when they end it on a Sunday, they could, you know, go back home and go back to work on a Monday. So they'll end it today. So on a Sunday, the beaches are empty because everybody going back home, you know. Most people going back home. So if you book a vacation, stay the Sunday, guys. Go home on Monday. You'll have the beach for yourself. A little tip, you know. Go home Monday or Tuesday. Beach is empty on Mondays and Tuesdays. Yeah. But this is it. You know, this is it. You got the houses over here. All the way on this stretch right there. You got the nice sandy beaches. It's nice white sand beaches. Oh, and it's normally clean down here, guys. Like, they actually clean these beaches. They don't let them get messy at all. There's not one piece of paper anywhere inside. I don't know if they do it at nighttime or I don't know, but even during the day I don't see anyone cleaning, but I don't see any garbage or anything like that. There's someone out there on their paddle boat out there, so but yeah, it's always clean, like super clean, super clean. There's no cups, plates, no garbage nowhere. And water is nice and clear. That's it. Yeah. Yeah, guys. So we call that one here walking the beach. Early morning, walking the beach. I was right in this area yesterday. This is where I were yesterday. So it's nice and clean right here. Less seaweeds. Look at the water, it's crystal clear. Crystal clear water, guys. Look, you can see my feet under there. Crystal clear water. Going for a walk on the beach in the morning is good exercise. Sometimes it's hard to walk in the sun. So, or walking in the water is, you know, you're getting some resistance. So it's good workout, you know. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, a bunch of people started coming out now. I guess they staying close right here, so they're setting up to get out in the water, you know. Spend a whole day out here. Most times with the rain like that, the rain pass through, it doesn't stay for long. It pretty much just pass through real quick. Normally 30-40 minutes, sometime less, sometime a little bit more, but it doesn't rain the whole day. Here in the Gulf, on the coast right here, is very rare unless you have some kind of tropical storm coming through. Normally it doesn't rain the whole day. You know, beach day, it'll just rain for like, you know, 30 minutes, an hour, pass through, and you could come back out and head to the beach. But it doesn't last all day. Guys, when you walk in the sand right here, when you walk in the sand, it makes a funny noise. A little scrub. I don't know what caused that, but alright, let me get my slippers. So guys, I had left my slippers right here. Yeah, got my slippers. It's safe over here too, ain't nobody stealing nothing. They leave their slippers on the floor right there. It's hot. Morning. All right. Yeah. So, you know, it's nice. See, we got leaving the beach, guys. Say goodbye. Yeah. They got trash cans everywhere. They got this little thing right here. You could wash your feet off. I'm gonna to wash the sand off your feet, you know. Alright. Oh. Alright guys, so let's go. Wash the feet off. Guys, when you come down here, just bring your slippers. Unless you're gonna go jogging. You're gonna bring your sneakers, but come to the beach, bring your slippers. Don't be bringing shoes like some people. Jeans, it's a no. Don't bring no jeans. Leave that at home. You're on the beach. No jeans, no long pants. Leave all those things at home. Yeah. Leave all those things at home. See? Unless you go jogging like that guy. Then you bring sneakers. Other than that, bring shorts. T-shirt, sleeveless maybe, because it's hot. You're gonna be either wearing no shirt or sleeveless. If you wear jeans, you're gonna be taking that shit off. It's super hot. It gets in the 90s in the summertime down here, so and it's like a muggy heat, sticky heat with the sand and the salt water. You feel sticky all the time. Right now your skin feels sticky, like you're gonna be wearing sunblock. You're gonna be wearing sunblock lotion. It makes you feel sticky, so you know. I'm wearing long pants and long sleeve shirt and bringing sweaters down here. I see people down here wearing long sleeve shirt. I'm saying, what the hell? They're trying to block the sun out, maybe. But wearing long pants in Florida. You're on the beach, you're wearing long pants. That don't make no sense. Jeans at that. Yeah, man. So, heading back. The rain didn't come this way. I don't think it's coming this way. It goes that way. But it's getting hot. I've had enough. You notice I'm probably sweating. It's a gas station right here. I'm gonna fill up the car. Probably go get some lunch. It's early now, but I'm gonna pick up some lunch when that time comes. There's a plaza up the street. Like you could walk up there. I'm gonna drive up there. Alright guys, so that's it for the beach walk. See, it's not too far. It's like right down there, beach access, end of this building, and then cross over here and on the beach. Yeah. So stay tuned guys. Later on today I'm gonna head back up to Atlanta. Start working this week. Let's hope we could get some news on the plans. It's in review right now, so we're waiting on, you know, for them to approve it. Once it's stamped, we could start getting our permit for a grease trap, and then the plumbers could start digging. Everybody's pretty much ready to go as far as the plumbers, and you know. So yeah, let me head on back, cool off a little bit, and then I'm gonna head out in a minute. About 11. We're gonna head out 11, 12. Alright guys, stay tuned.